Hey everybody, so I'm just gonna dive right in to this Bible study. This is Psalms 21, and this is the Tree of Life version. The victorious King. For the music director, a Psalm of David, Adonai, the King, rejoices in your strength. How greatly he delights in your salvation. You granted him his heart's desire, and you did not withhold the request of his lips. Selah. For you met him with the best blessings. You set on his head a crown of pure gold. He asked you for life. You gave it to him. Length of days forever and ever. His glory is great through your salvation. Honor and majesty bestow on him. For you bestow on him eternal blessings. Gladden him with joy in your presence. For the king trusts in Adonai and the loving kindness of Elyon. He will not be shaken. Your hand will find all your enemies. Your right hand will overtake those who hate you. You will make them like a fiery furnace at the time of your appearing. In his wrath, Adonai will swallow them up, and fire will consume them. You destroy their offspring from earth, their seed from the children of men. Though they intended evil against you and devised a plot, they cannot succeed, for you make them turn their backs. You aim your bowstrings at their faces. Be exalted, Adonai, in your strength. We will sing and praise your might. So obviously this verse is about it's about a battle. It's about war. It's about when we give over our life to the Lord, he's going to bless us. He's going to give us his joy in our presence. And there's going to be battles. There's going to be times and obstacles that are difficult. We're going to get annoyed. That's part of the journey. But we have this promise that when the Messiah comes a second time, the number 21 is the end. It's like the last letter of the Hebrew alphabet. It's the end. When the end comes and Jesus, Yeshua, comes in his second coming, he's going to have fiery eyes. And he's going to swallow everybody up. And the fire is going to consume the evil. You aim your bowstrings at their faces. Wow, that's such a powerful word that you can't get away. It's not like you can hide. The Lord is the Lord, and that's it. And he's going to have his vengeance. But it's all about his strength. It's all about his might. And we keep singing and praising that it is his overcoming of death, burial, and resurrection that make his story the most incredible story of all time. There's no other story like Jesus' story. There's no other evidence of biblical evidence like Jesus' story. And he is the victorious King. So it's just it's really cool when you see it in this way. So I'm going to stop there. That was Psalms 21 in the Tree of Life version. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye everybody.